welcome back to another episode of Food Trip. And for today, we're going to eat Team Elia's Big Sushi. This one is super special because I made a lot of requests. So, ayun. Salmon and kanin siya, pero nagpa-add ako ng cheese. Then, meron akong dalawang nori. Then, meron silang soy sauce, mayonnaise, then wasabi. Kain tayo! Kaya tayo yung flavors nila. Cheesy kanin, cheesy tuna, tsaka salmon and kanin. Try ko lang silang lahat. Pinaka-favorite ko is yung cheesy kanin. Then, ayun. Gusto ko din yung salmon. Look. This is a small one pala. Yan. Small version. Pero yun, nakakabusog to. So, kain tayo. So, ayan, kain na tayo. So, yung mga food ko ngayon ay ito. Salmon kanin, but with cheese. Meron tayo mayonnaise, soy sauce, wasabi. We also have Miss Corazon's Kitchen na fish cake, then beef bulgogi. Siyempre, yung baked sushi, hindi mawawala ng seaweed. We also have here, Yakult Soju Sprite. Yeah. Oh, yes. Sobrang look forward ko pa. Look at the cheese. Sobrang sarap. Maglalaway na ako kagad. First you scoop, then we do this. Wow. Ang sarap. Super. Grabe yung cheese nila. Super cheesy pa din. Sarap! Oh my god, yung sarap. Saka alam niyo ba guys, yung salmon nila, as in super fresh, and legit na salmon yung ginagamit na lang. Ang sarap! Beef bulgogi. Super favorite ko to. Super legit and sarap. And super, ano siya, fresh from the oven. Sarap. Hindi ako masasabi ko masarap. Kita nyo, kakatapos ko lang umaya, pero super sarap. Nalagay ko dyan yung minimum. Yeah. Masarap na siya. Every bite, malalasahan mo lahat. Then, sulit. Sulit yung price-wise. Okay to. Then, basta hindi siya tinipid. Hindi tinipid yung ingredients. Yung walang tinipid. Kasi super sarap nila. Tapos yung cheese. As in, super sarap yung cheese nila. Para makamake ng 500 ml. Dalawang Yakult. Then, 1 part ng soju. Then, 1 part din ng Sprite. So, yun. Sarap din. Milky na bubbly na hindi mo maintindihan. Na alcoholic na hindi mo maintindihan. Pero yun. Pero masarap. try nyo din kung gusto nyo. Takaw ko. Perfecto kahit saan. Perfecto for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for merienda, any time of the day. And every day. Every day is sushi day. Every day is big sushi day. Ang savory, ang cheesy, then medyo milky, parang may milk. Siguro dahil sa cheese. Ang sweet dahil siguro sa mango. Sarap. Super recommended. Thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Bye!